Hello everyone. In this example, we will update the overall dimension 3.00 so that the tolerance is displayed with the dimension. We will also add linear dimensions as shown in the figure. I have this sketch created on the screen along with the dimensions. Type D and press enter to invoke the Dimension Style Manager dialog box. The dimension style that is in use currently is My Style. Select it and then click on the Override button. The Override Current Style dialog box is displayed. In the Tolerances tab, from the Tolerance Format area, expand the Method drop-down list, and then choose the Symmetrical option. Change the precision to 0.00. Upper value of tolerance is going to be 0.02. Make sure the leading checkbox is selected in the Zero Suppression area. Now go to the Primary Units tab and change the precision to 2 decimal places. Go to the Text tab, and in the Text Alignment area, select Align with Dimension Line radio button. Next, click on the OK button. You can see the style overrides are created under the My Style dimension style. Select the style overrides, right-click on it, and then choose the rename option. Type New Style as the style name and click outside the editor window. You can see a new dimension style is created. Select the new dimension style and then choose the Set Current button. Next, click on the Close button. Now expand the Dimensions panel and then choose the Update tool. Select Dimension 3 and press Enter. So a tolerance value is added along with the dimension 3. Next, let's create a linear dimension. Type DLI and press Enter. So this is my first point and this is the second point. Place the dimension. Again, you will see the dimension is created along with the tolerance value. Again, expand the Dimensions panel and then choose the Update button and select this dimension 2.50. Press Enter. Now the sketch looks similar to the sketch shown here. Thank you for watching this video.